Hi all, today we are going to solve another math problem. Okay, so let's check the question first. Okay, so we are provided with an arithmetic sequence here. You can see that. So the question is for a particular number a, the first term in the sequence above is equal to a, and each term thereafter is 7 greater than the previous term. Okay, so what we have to find here, what is the value of the 16th term in the sequence? Okay. So here is a short but interesting sequence problem, right? So we are given the sequence. So what is the sequence given? A, 2a minus 1, 3a minus 2 and 4a minus 3. The question says that each term is 7 greater than the previous one, right? So we need to find the 16th term of the sequence. So what we have to find? The 16th term, right? What is the 16th term? So let's solve it by step. Okay. So first we need to find the common difference. Okay. So what is our first term? So our first term, right? First term is equal to A. And what is the second term? Our second term is 2A minus 1, right? Okay. So how do we get the common difference? You can minus or subtract the first term from the second, right? So we will write 2A minus 1 minus A, right? So when you solve this, what will you get? A minus 1. Okay. So they have already mentioned that the given differences, it will be equal to 7, right? So we have another equation that A minus 1. Okay. A minus 1 is equal to 7. So you can solve the equation that is A is equal to 7 plus 1, that is 8. Okay. So we get first term, right? A is equal to 8. Now we can write the sequence. We can substitute A with 8. So how will you write the sequence? 8, comma 2A means, right? 2 into 8 minus 1, right? Then 3 into 8, right? Minus 2, etc. So let's solve it and write the new sequence. That will be 8. 2 into 8 will be 16. 16 minus 1 will be 15. Then 3 into 8 will be 24 and minus 2 will be 22, right? And the fourth term will be 4 into 8 minus 3, that will be 29. All right. So notice that it is an arithmetic sequence with the first term 8 and common difference 7, right? So that is what we got here. All right. So now we have to find the 16th term, right? For that, we can use the formula for the nth term. So what was the formula for nth term? We have an equation, right? That is an is equal to a1. That is the first term plus n minus 1 into common difference, right? So we can substitute the values now. So what we have to find? A16. So A16 is equal to A1 is the first term, right? That is 8 plus what is n? 16. 16 minus 1 and the common difference that is 7 into 7. Now we can easily solve that. That is 8 plus 15 into 7, right? Now 8 plus what is 15 into 7? That is 105, right? So the 16th term will be 130. Easy, right? So therefore the 16th term of the sequence is 130. So like when you write all these steps, terms, equation, everything, you won't get enough time in the exam to do. Like for a competitive exam, it won't be possible, right? So let's try a quick trick. So instead of expanding the whole sequence, you can simply find the common difference. First step will be common difference. This step, okay. The first step, you can use this. Then you can set it equal to get a it 8, right? This is our second step. Okay. Then use the arithmetic sequence formula. Then directly use the formula without writing anything else. You can just go for the formula. This solves the problem in less than a minute. Okay, so you have to be very quick in calculation. So if you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more SAT and other competitive math problems. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.